This is the S&P 500 SPDR ETF SPY one-day reading for October 30th, 2024. It's currently September 20th, 2024, 11:53 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading is $568.25. That's USD. The shuffle video for the October 30th reading was created on August 4th, 2024 at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. In this video, we're going to go over the overall trend direction for the day. We're going to talk about the chart behavior around the day's highest high and the chart behavior around the day's lowest low, as well as the general timing down to roughly about an hour as far as where they are throughout the day. And then we're going to get into where the best trades are and the chart behavior by the hour, basically. You have to give it plus or minus an hour here or there of wiggle room, and not in all readings, in a few readings here or there. But always pay attention to the sequence of events, because that will keep you on track if we are plus or minus a little bit here or there on the timing. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we've got this impression of the pleasure card, or the Six of Cups, and then after shuffling the Six of Cups, there it was. So pretty strong indication. We had Six of Cups prior day at the trade, right? So I think there's probably like another revisiting of that crest in there in the midst of erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level. We'll likely see the high for the day more than once, probably twice, based on the Queen of Cups sideways S formation around the high. The low will form within a period of volatility that ends with a fast sudden move higher out of the low, and then the trade card is price swings. Pretty notable price swings, however, it is nullified, probably indicating that it's best to trade here with the pleasure card there, but most likely we revisit it. In the pre-market, we open lower and continue to decline pretty notably. There is erratic behavior there in the pre-market, but overall decline. At the open, we have an unexpected move to the upside, 3 pokes through the same trend line in the first half hour. Off of that third poke, there's a sharp decline, and then a more erratic behavior, majority of which is going to be bullish, but more erratic behavior between roughly 10 and 11, ending with decline into a trough around 12 o'clock, maybe a little sooner, and we have this unexpected move out of that trough that then turns over between 12 and 1 with a decline through key support, and then between roughly 1 and 2 we have a sideways fluctuating rally into a day's high, probably just after 2 o'clock, out of which there's a sharp decline in a period of volatility between roughly 2 and 3. And then I'm getting a high correlation there at the end of the day, but my sense is that that might not be panning out. That's probably just like a peak of some kind. More likely that we're going to see a sharp decline in that last hour into a low through multiple support levels into a low at the close. And so the opportunities are that trough at 12 o'clock opening up a long position to close at a peak just after 2 o'clock, most likely. Follow the trade alerts with our early access subscription. You get those live Discord trade alerts. That's the best way to time this. But somewhere right around 12, opening up a long and closing that long somewhere around 2. And when you close that long, you likely open up a short position for an overnight swing. And that's SPY for October 30th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you on the next one.